Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1963 Chevrolet Nova convertible. Pretty little car, guys. I bought this car locally. Matter of fact, a show just north of here. Great car. It's about a 4-year-old body up restoration. Very nicely done. Slick paint, guys. It's got bright red paint on it. It's got the black vinyl interior. It's a 4-speed. It's got a little 327. They've converted it to disc brakes. Just a cool car. Again, really nice paint, nicely done car. Really just a good little Nova, guys. I like the convertible. I really like that 4-speed in there. I thought that was neat. It's got the 15-inch American Racing torque thrust. Again, converted to disc brakes. Good guy I got it from too. He restored it, did a nice job on it. Looks like it's got, you know, some of the original trim, and then some stuff has been replaced. You can see like the this is original where they've replaced the bezels, new bumpers. Slick paint, guys. Whoever laid the paint down, they knew what they were doing. Interior's really nice. I like that 4-speed. I thought that was cool with the convertible. We'll pull the top up here, but the boot's not. The boot looks like it's new. Top's in great shape. It's a combination you don't see a lot. 4-speed convertible. Car's nice and straight down the sides, good rubber, new wheels. And a car you don't have to break the bank, you know. I mean, these cars are getting expensive, man. I mean, everything now is, you know, 40, 50, 60,000, and this is a car that you don't have to break the bank to own. I like the disc brake conversion. That's a nice add. .327 cubic inch engine, 4-barrel stock intake. It's got the ram's horn exhaust manifolds. It's got the GM double hump heads on it. Aluminum radiator with the shroud. It's got the finned aluminum valve covers. Again, as you just look around this car, man, it's just nice. Did a nice job when he restored this car. Sorry guys, sometimes that sun starts flashing off those doors when they're on an angle like that. Again, look how nice and all the little jams are really nicely done. Just shows you the quality of the paintwork. Color chrome's nice. New mirrors. Stainless here's pretty nice. Looks like the original door handle. You can see a mark or two there. Oh, the guys must have glued down the trim there. Probably a new door rubber and the trim was backing off. New carpet, new sill plates. Stock bench seat. Car's just got a great look. This is pretty cool. I like this too. So it's got the factory dash in it. Now that looks like a factory tach. It's not. That's actually an aftermarket tach that's made for these cars to look vintage. And Delco AM radio. It's a manual top. Dual exhaust. Stock rear end. You know, just a 323, nothing crazy. Again, look how nice the jams are. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Factory jack with a spare. Oh shoot, sorry Jay. Jay pulled the boot off, he's gonna throw it in the back there. It's nice and clean underneath. Door pads are new. Great looking car. Seats have definitely been redone. Dash is nice. Steering wheel's in great shape. 22,821 on the odometer. I'm assuming that's flipped over, guys. Yeah, it looks like the original door panels. Or I'm sorry, door handles, not panels. It's good running small block. Well, I'll tell you, I'm telling you guys, this paint is gorgeous. Manual top. You can see it's new. It's got the plastic rear window. New top. Go ahead, Jay. Tach works, all your gauges work, good oil pressure on it. Go ahead, you rev it so you can see the tach working. Parking brake work, Jay. Yep. Wow, factory AM radio works. Parking brake works, guys. Blower motor. Yep. Blower motor does work. Honestly, I never turned that radio on. I didn't know that worked. Pretty car. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Just started a new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, give Leroy a call Jay. You can do that at 248-620-3355. That is a great car. Have a great day, guys.